Namaste. Welcome to Ujjayi Victorious Breath. My name's Chris and I will be guiding you through this session. I'm a yoga instructor. I live in Los Angeles, California. This is one of the trails. So thank you so much for being here and spending your time with me, and we'll get right into it. Begin in a seated posture, head over heart, heart over pelvis. Bring the palms to face up for receptive, palms down for grounding. Or maybe one or the other, up, down. Begin to bring awareness to your breath. The space where you're inhaling and exhaling. Diving a little deeper, begin to bring awareness to the space in between your breath. And begin to breathe. I want you to breathe as if you are fogging a mirror. The mouth is closed, breathing through the nose. Good. The Ujjayi breath supports the structure of the spine and engages the three bandhas or diaphragms of the body located at the throat, the navel, and the pelvic floor. And these three bandhas essentially hold our body together. So we engage these through the movements of yoga and awareness of these spaces in mindfulness and meditation in daily life, so we stay centered and grounded in our bodies. And if the mind has become distracted, bring awareness back to Ujjayi. We'll practice together now. Stay with Ujjayi. Notice the rootedness of your connection with the earth, effortlessly supported. Begin to draw the crown of the head towards the sky. And stay with Ujjayi, noticing how this shifts the experience, maybe perhaps creating more space to breathe. During this series, we'll be exploring several meditation techniques, and if the mind gets distracted, I invite you to practice Ujjayi during the meditation. This supports the present moment and the spine and awareness of the present moment to stay conscious and present. The light in me honors and sees the light in you, where the entire universe dwells. Thank you for joining me today. Namaste.